I'm the first time here in Aruba. I'm together with a German group and all we are carnivalists, and now we want to see the carnival in Aruba. All we are members of the Federation of European Carnival Cities. And we have members from Aruba, and they came to us, and now we are here. It means they come to Europe, we come to Aruba, and it's amazing. We want to learn to know your carnival. We liked it. We saw already the parade in the night, but yesterday the parade in San Nicolas. It was so amazing, so nice costumes, and all in Germany. We sent photos there. They told, are you in Rio? We told, no, we are in Aruba. And the organization is great with all these things you need for the parade. We liked it. I think everything is very good organized here because your people know where to go and so on. But if you want to have more people from outside coming, you must organize it with travel agencies. You must organize places and drinks. They don't know the ways. This is only, but for us is everything wonderful. We like the sea. I like the sea. And of course we will come back.